Manila Mayor Isko Moreno, Senator Grace-Poe tandem. There's a big possibility 1Sambayan coalition will push the candidacy of these two politicos for president and vice president in the 2022 elections. According to a source of Abante, 1Sambayan believes the Isko-Grace-Poe tandem can beat the tandem of Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte and Senator Bongo. The coalition is confident their possible tandem is more popular and has a better track record in serving the people. Abante's source added that Moreno called for a meeting on May 28 to discuss his possible entry to the presidential race. Present during the meeting were allies of President Rodrigo Duterte and some personalities close to former President Noynoy Aquino. During the meeting, some people close to Moreno opposed his plan to run for president, fearing Vice Mayor Honey Lacuna will not be able to win the 2022 elections if she runs for Manila Mayor. The source also revealed 1Sambayan sees Senate President Tito Sotto as a formidable opponent in the vice presidential race, in case he agrees to be the running mate of Senator Ping Lacson. The source also cited Soto's League of Supporters from the noontime show Eat Bulaga, who will surely vote for him.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.